Now, New York's #1 news. Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
And why there were drones everywhere in Queens today. It is a day to reach for the sky as drone enthusiasts celebrate International Drone Day. There is such a thing. In honor of the 4th annual event, Vaughn College hosted a series of activities on the Queens campus. Attendees got a chance to fly their drones, attend workshops, and design their own quadcopters.
A lot of people think that drones are used for bad purposes or only for military use, but it's not just that. Drones are for good, and drones are being used for everything out there right now, including package delivery and mapping of different areas.
International Drone Day helps educate people about the different way drones are used for good.
I want a day. Like, we could buy shoes and handbags.
International Sandra Bookman Day?
Yeah, something like that.
Delivered with a drone.
Okay.